Chip and I are at our new house. Our home is mostly finished. Chip and I are going to show you, including some parts of the inside. This is a Christmas video, and we're on Christmas Tree Lane here in Fresno. We're going to show you the Christmas lights if you'll stick around to the end of our video. Okay, Chip, you ready to start the tour? This is the parking area and kind of the main circulation. So you would park your car here, or you would drive right into the garage if you're us, and right through that automatic gate. Then you would come to this bench, which we can sit and look at the lights, contemplate the beauty of the place, take a slight jog, and we're headed to the entry pedestrian gate. To one side, we have a little entry courtyard that has a great eastern exposure. It's going to have benches. Right now, it doesn't have much. As you might be aware, if you build a house, there's all kinds of stuff that isn't complete, but we completed enough to move in. And so we're living here now. We'll be working on completion of everything around us. You see a lot of dirt as you watch this video, and all that dirt is going to have something in it other than dirt eventually, but we have a big lap pool here that has yet to go in. Our courtyard outside of the family room isn't complete, but we're beginning to get furniture, and we got the arbor in, and it'll have lights and fans. And now we're right at the front door. So Maybach's houses have a lot of wood. Our house has a lot of wood on the interior. The floors, a lot of the floors are walnut. There's a porcelain tile in all the most heavily used parts of the houses, the kitchens and the bathrooms, but very few variation in flooring material. It's either walnut flooring or the porcelain tile. The ceilings are made of old growth redwood from a building built in 1904, and all of the wood is old wood, the Douglas fir that makes up the arch separating the dining room and the living room. The hand railing on the stairs is mahogany with wenge inlaid, which wenge is a African wood that's very dark. That same combination is used on the fireplace wood. It's an electric fireplace that uses mist, and it does have a heater too, and pretty dramatic lighting with a neat fixture over the dining room. The lights that go all around in the dining room and the living room are made from tequila bottles. And the secret door, we can go directly into the prep kitchen from here. And then you can't tell that there's a door there. Dramatic windows in the whole thing, which you could see from the outside, really makes growing plants quite productive inside the house because the lighting is so fantastic. And so I'm trying something that isn't that easy to do, but I think it's working, and that's to grow black bamboo inside. And so I have these black bamboo that I want to get much bigger. I have 3 of them. I think because of the light, which is just spectacular in here, it'll be a success. I'm growing 4 Ming Aralias there, which is kind of an entrance balcony there, which is an interesting design technique, quite a contrast between that low ceiling, and then it opens up into these soaring, spectacular ceilings that's very dramatic. This design under the handrail is a Maybach design that you'll see in a lot of his buildings, kind of a Swiss chalet design. He called it Butterfly. We come up to the 2nd floor, which is relatively small. It just has my office and a guest bedroom and a bathroom. This is my office. Not at all cleaned up for the video. Overlooks the family room. The old growth redwood ceiling goes throughout most of the house, even goes into the bathroom. We have the Ming Aralias here and a Buddhist altar that was in Donna's family that we've chosen to put in this location. It opens up into another soaring space, which is the family room overlooked by my office. These are kind of unique, these big double French doors. We can open both French doors, kind of a spectacular view out of the family room into where would be our outdoor space, and out to the pool, which doesn't exist yet. When the screen is up, then these doors fully open out into the courtyard with the arbor over it, which is right off of our family room. And then adjacent to the family room, the kitchen, red cabinets that match the front door, and soapstone countertops, has the same old growth redwood ceilings, a big island with our Christmas tree, These cool lights we found actually in Berkeley. There's not much I know about them other than we like the way they look. This is actually a cool top, so my wife can make her ice cream sandwiches. Kind of similar to if you go to Cold Stone. That's a La Cornue oven. It's electric, and so it's induction cooktop, really heavy oven door. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays to all of our viewers. We hope you can recruit more viewers. We want to build a bigger channel, and we hope to help you in your landscaping and gardening. We'll see you in 2025.